Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 7. Textbook page number 112 and 113. You have the new chapter algebra explanations and you have the topic addition. On page 112 exercise 8a you have the topic addition. Now simply you will learn in this chapter how to add in algebra. Now first of all I will tell you what is the difference between simple sum or algebra sum. You can see the letters or alphabets here, A and B. In algebra we use the different alphabets from A to Z with the numbers. So when you will add them, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So you will write the complete 10 here. You will not give the carry in algebra. You will always add the B value in B value, A value in A value. You can't add or subtract or these things in other values, like you can't add 3B with 4A. 3B, 7B is equal to 10B. And plus plus, always remember we will also check the signs or these plus plus plus. 2A plus 4A is equal to 6A. In the middle we will put plus 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 plus, and here the both values have the positive sign, so it is also the 4A is positive. 4A plus 10B. Now part B. Now look at this. 3A minus 4B, 2A plus 5B. You have to add them. Minus plus minus. So here we will do the subtraction here. 4B minus 5B. If you are thinking that there is 4 and there is 5 and 5 is greater than 4, you can't subtract, so you have to take the borrow, nothing else. You can simply subtract the value in algebra if you have a greater value under the lowest value. So subtract 4 from the 5, you will have 1B. There is no value of 1 in algebra. We will not write the 1 with the B. So you will put plus here because the greater value have the sign of plus. Greater value have the positive sign, so you will put here plus. If 5 have the minus and 4 have the plus, so it will be minus here. Now 3 and 2 both have the positive sign, so plus plus plus. So you will simply add these both values. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now you have 5A plus B. 5A plus B is your answer. Now this is the question number 5 or part 5 of the question 1. X square plus 5y minus 3x square minus 2y. You can see that the y value is under the y value and x value is under the x value. Now simply you will add them, plus minus minus, and the greater value have the symbol of plus, so plus will come here but the action will be minus. Now subtract 2 from the 5, the answer will be 3y. Now plus minus minus, so subtract 3 from the 1 or 1 from the 3, so the answer will be minus 2x square. Minus will come because 3 is the greater value and have the symbol of minus. Negative sign have 3 as the negative sign, so the answer will become in negative. 2 minus 2x square plus 3y. That is the answer of question 5 or question 1 part 5. Now you have the part 6. Minus 3a square minus 5ab plus 2b square, 7a square plus 2ab minus b square. You can see that the both values is written under the like 2a square under the a square, ab under the ab, b square under the b square. That is called the algebra place value system. Now simply subtract 1 from this 2, the answer will be 1. Plus minus minus, so action is minus. We will not write 1 here because every single letter or every single alphabet have the digit 1. Plus will come here because the greater value have the positive sign. Now plus minus minus, subtract 2 from the 5, the answer is 3ab. The minus will come here because the greater value have the minus symbol. Now plus minus minus, again minus, so subtract 3 from the 7, the answer is 4a square. Now the answer is 4a square minus 3ab plus b square. Now you have the part A, 4a square plus 6a minus 3, 2a square minus 3a plus 7, 2a square plus 4a minus 2. Now you can see that you have the both values of a, but this is the a square, so we will write the a square's value under the a square, a value from the under the a, and without any alphabet we will write in the end. So we will start solving it. Plus minus minus, so 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, minus 2 is equal to 2. Or simply you can solve this 2 first, and then with the answer you can add or subtract this value. Now in these values the 7 is the greater and it has the positive sign, so the plus will come here, and then again 3 minus 6 is equal to 3, then plus 4 is equal to 7a, and 6 is the greatest value and have the positive sign, so we will put here plus. Plus minus minus, it means there is 2 and then subtract 3 because plus minus minus, so the answer will be a square. That is the answer of part 8. Now there is the part 11. You can see that 4x square minus 5xy minus 6y square. Then the next value 10xy minus 6x square plus 3y square. Then comma, it's comma mean the next value 3y square minus 2x square plus 2xy. Now how you will write the question? This is your first value and the second value have 10xy. You will write 10xy under the xy minus 6x square, so x square will come under the x square. This 10 has the positive sign, there is no sign, it means it's have the positive sign, so the plus will come here. And the third value is 3y square, so we will write here 3y square plus 3y square. And now the third value 3y square plus 3y square will come here under the y square minus 4x square and plus 2x. In the end you can see that plus 2x will come under the 2x. So I will remove this value from here. Now this is your question ready to solve. Plus minus minus, subtract 3 from the 6, the answer is 3y, and plus minus minus, so the answer will be 3y square, y square. You can see that minus y square. Minus will come here because the greatest value have the symbol of minus. Now plus minus minus, 10 subtract 5 is equal to 5. The answer will be in positive because 10 has the positive sign, so again plus 5 plus 2, so the answer will be 7xy. The sign of plus will come here because the greatest value have the positive sign. Now here plus minus minus, answer will be minus 2x square, minus minus plus, and the answer will be minus 6x square. That is the answer of question 11. Now on page 112 you have the question 6 here. You can see that from 1 to 6, and on the other page you have from 7 to 12. These 12 questions are your homework. You have to solve these all questions on your neat copy. Some of them I have solved, and the other have the same process like which I solved from part 1 to part 12. You have to solve on your neat copies.